Hi friends, welcome to Secret Bites. In this video, we are going to discuss about quail eggs. We'll be discussing about the hard boiling time of quail eggs, health benefits and the nutrition facts between chicken eggs and quail eggs. Come, let's get into this video and discuss in detail.
I live in Canada and this is where I usually get the quail eggs. This supermarket is popular in the city for the seafoods, meats and eggs. If you live in Canada, you can try to visit the shop and explore the variety of seafoods and eggs. There are 18 quail eggs in the case. Today I am going to get 2 cases of quail eggs and 1 case of brown eggs. Now we are going to boil these quail eggs. Today I am going to boil 6 eggs. I am dropping the eggs slowly into the boiling water. Now the eggs are boiling in the water. Let them boil for 6 minutes. Now 6 minutes are done and I am taking out the eggs one by one. You can add some cold or warm water and keep it for 2 minutes. Now let's see how to peel these quail eggs easily. You can just create a small crack with your nail in the tip of the egg and start peeling it from the crack. Since these eggs are very soft and small, peeling would be little difficult. But if you try this method, peeling would be easy too. The taste is much similar to the chicken eggs, and to enhance the taste, you can just add salt and pepper to it. By the way, it's not a cooking channel and we are not going to discuss any great recipes here. Come, let's go and discuss the benefits of quail eggs. Reduce risks of terminal illness. Low potassium count in our body can create a terminal illness like heart disease, high blood pressure, joint disorders, stroke, cancer, and digestive disorders. Since the quail eggs are rich sources of potassium, it satisfies the needs of potassium in your body. Prevent chronic diseases. Quail eggs have significant levels of vitamin A and vitamin C that can keep the onset of many chronic diseases such as asthma, diabetes, cerebral palsy, sickle cell anemia, and hypertension. Treat allergies and inflammation. Ovomucoid protein is present in these eggs. This type of protein acts as a natural anti-allergy component. Inflammation, congestion, or other symptoms of allergic reactions can be avoided with the help of these eggs. Boosts metabolism. Vitamin B found in these eggs that can boost metabolic activity throughout the body by improving hormonal and enzymatic function. Boost immunity and memory. Quail eggs improve your immune system. They clean the blood from toxins and heavy metals, enhance the blood purity, boost memory and increase the brain activity. Increase hemoglobin levels in the blood. High iron content in quail eggs can help anemic people to the large extent. Eating them regularly improve hemoglobin levels. improve vision. Vitamin A present in quail eggs protects vision, helps to reduce muscular degeneration and prevents the development of cataracts. Prevent bladder stones. These eggs promote the health of your kidney, liver and gallbladder. They contain a component called lecithin that help break down bladder stones and stop the growth of these stones. Relieve stomach and abdominal aching. Quail eggs can be a magical home remedy for digestive disorders such as gastrics, stomach ulcers, duodenal ulcers, etc. The high alkaline and powerful antioxidant components in these eggs will keep your digestive issues under control when consumed regularly. Treat sexual disorders. These eggs are having many helpful vitamins, micro and macro elements, minerals, amino acids and a lot of good proteins. These elements aid in increased sexual desire and even help to treat erectile dysfunction. Slow down aging. Eating these eggs regularly helps strengthen the immune system and slow down the aging of organs eventually. The antioxidant, vital fatty acids, selenium and vitamins present in the quail eggs make them a perfect anti-aging agent. It can be applied directly to the skin for softness and moisture. Maintain a healthy nervous system. Quail eggs have been proved to be effective in battling stress problems, migraine, hypertension, depression, panic attacks and anxiety illness. Limitations of quail eggs. Though consumption of these quail eggs is beneficial to your health, sometimes eating too many quail eggs can bring side effects such as the increased risk of hypertension and hypoglycemia. For people with cholesterol issues, adding too many quail eggs to their diet is not advisable since the eggs are high in cholesterol. Also, refrain from eating quail eggs without consulting your doctor if you are pregnant or feeding. Nevertheless, eating them in moderation is always recommended. Quail eggs are more nutritious than chicken eggs. Both varieties actually have just about the same amount of vitamins and minerals. Quail eggs have slightly more protein, fat and cholesterol. But since eating too much fat is not healthy, you would have to eat slightly less quail eggs than chicken eggs to get the same amount of fat and would end up getting about the same nutrition too. In any case, the slight difference in nutritional value does not produce significant differences in terms of health effects.
Thanks for watching this video, friends. Hope you like it. For more interesting videos, like, share and subscribe to Secret Bites.